Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing in network management module number 3, uh, simple network protocol, SNMP version number 1. So the objectives what we are discussing today's video is that how this communication model there will be how it is going to manage with respect to the administrative things, how the administrative structures community based on the models and MIB view. These things will be discussing. So if you're looking at with respect to the SNMP protocol is concerned, that is simple network management protocol, it will be come within two things. One is manager version and the agent version. Manager version is the truly simple network protocol, how they are going to manage the things. Here if you look at with respect to the manager version is concerned, right, all the data is going to stored in the database with respect to the SNMP manager applications are concerned. These are going to communicate with respect to the standard messages like get request, get next request, set request, like that way. And this protocol is comes with the UDP as well as TCP/IP, that is IP versions, and this protocol is connected to the physical medium through the data link layer. Inside of agent view, the same thing will be there. Instead of the contents are going to stored in the database, they are simply communicating with the manager is concerned. The same structure will be there for the agent side also is concerned. So here we'll be using some standard messages like get request. It is nothing but it is going to be sent by the manager requesting data from the agent, and get next request sent by the manager requesting data on the next is concerned. Set request initializes or changes the values of the networks and the elimination elements is concerned. Get response, agent responds with the data for the get and set request for the managers are concerned. So here in the SNMP messages, this protocol makes use of the some of the standard messages, as I told you, that one, that is get request, get next request, set request, get response, trap. The trap will comes with the generic, specific and the timestamp. So this is will be having the administrative model. The administrative model is based on the community of profile and the policy. This entity will be having some of application entities, and it will be having stations and network elements and managers and agent. SNMP protocol entities comes with the that is communication process, peer process and support entities are concerned in this manner, right? So in the SNMP community is concerned, right? So here we'll be having authentication schemes. It is going to be managed by the different SNMP managers. SNMP managers will be having authentication schemes. They will be having the list of procedures, and once agents or the SNMP agents want to communicate with the manager, they have to follow the authentication schemes in terms of messages sent by the managers are concerned, right? This is the community profile. So in the community profile of SNMP agent is concerned, it comes with a read only mode and a read write mode. It will be having read only mode, read write mode. In that if it is a read only mode, it is not going to be accessible by the other agents are concerned. If it is read only, in the read only mode, they are able to view whatever the policies has been designed. They can view the message, but they cannot send or write the message. But in read and write mode, they are able to access as well as send as well as receive the messages. But in read only mode, they are able to receive only the messages, whereas admins or administrators can read write the operations. So this is about the administrative model which comes with the access policy is concerned, right? So the manager is going to manage one or more agents with respect to the community profile is concerned. Depend upon the community profile, depend upon the areas or depend upon the population, they are going to split the areas in terms of managers, in terms of agents. They are going to be conducted with respect to the Cisco components. It totally depends upon the number of hubs we are making use in that area is concerned. Right, this is the one generalized administrative model. Here we'll be having 2 to 3 managers with the 4 to 5 agents. They are managing with respect to each other. Some managers or some community profile, they are communicating with respect to the 2 to 3 members in the generalized way. So community profile, they are nothing but the total number of hubs they are connected to the agent. Then agents are connected to the manager. Here agent 3 is connected to the manager number 3 as also manager number 2. It means that two-way network can be possibility with respect to in the generalized administrative model is concerned. Right, in proxy access policy is concerned, SNMP managers, it comes with the proxy servers. Right, their non-SNMP community proxy or proxy access policies will be there. In terms of proxy agents enables the non-SNMP community elements to managed by the SNMP protocols, and most of SNMP managers are going to be accesses the agents through their policy, proxy policy. Okay, thank you.